So to install React on Windows 11, so first open command prompt. So just press Windows and R, then type cmd. Okay, and then so go to your folder. Say the location called desktop. So on desktop I have a folder name called like my project, which is empty folder. You can check here. So it's an empty folder, and after that, see whatever you installed previously, you need to just uninstall, especially Node Package Manager. That means like if you did any application creation previously, so you can just uninstall. So for that you can take like npm, that is Node Package Manager. So g, then create dot react, create dash react, then app, then press enter. Okay, so it will uninstall previously created React app. Okay, so then use the node package execute or npx command to create fresh React application. So the my application name called say React app. So my React app, तो उसके लिए आपको so npx node package execute, so create React app space, so my React app. So then press enter. So after that, so it will start creating the the first my React application called my React app. ओके, सो इससे पहले अगर आप Node.js आपको इंस्टॉल करना, तो उसके लिए मेरा जो इससे पहले का जो वीडियो है आप देख सकते हो, उसके लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में उसका लिंक है. तो यू कैन इंस्टॉल दी Node.js बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस this part. Okay, so it will take some time, like a couple of minutes, and once it is done, so we can able to start the first React applications by using npm start command, that is Node Package Manager start command. So this is done. अभी देखिए यहाँ पे इंस्टॉलेशन कंप्लीट होगा यहाँ पे. So it is saying happy hacking. We need to start with our server. So before that we need to invoke to our folder. तो उसके लिए आपको cd then my React app. Okay, so press enter. So now we are inside the React project. तो उसके लिए आपको next जो है यहाँ पे npm, so that is Node Package Manager, then start. So press enter. Is done. So this will redirect to localhost, and there you can see our first page or the web page, which is React home page. Okay, so we need to wait for a few seconds so it will complete all its the process. So now it is like starting the development server, and you can see alternately, see here it is automatically open the window, that is Chrome window. यानी Chrome के अंदर यहाँ पे देखिए localhost colon 3000, that is port number, and it is now about to launch home page of React. So this is the output you can see here. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो output जो यहाँ पे आ गया. ठीक है, so localhost colon 3000, ठीक है, port number, and so now the React is installed, and it is now successfully we created the first React application. तो चलिए इसका कोड देखते हैं यहाँ पे. सो लेट मी टेक यू टू हियर लाइक Sublime Text, या तो आप यू कैन यूज़ VS Code ऑल्सो टू एडिट यूर कोड. तो पहले इन्वोक करें यहाँ पे. जस्ट गो टू फाइल, देन क्लिक ऑन ओपन फोल्डर. सो ऑन डेस्कटॉप there is a folder called my project. In this project, see here I have my project called my React application or app. Just select it. So here is our the project directory. So within the src folder there is a the global file which is called app.js file. Okay, इसको यहाँ पे थोड़ा साइड में रख के we'll just modify bit of syntax. Okay, then see कुछ यहाँ पे चेंजेस करेंगे यहाँ पे से एग्जांपल आफ्टर दिस एडिट ऑप्शन लाइक रीलोड ऑप्शंस, तो कुछ यहाँ पे H1 में ऐड करता हूँ। यहाँ पे H1 से लाइक नो हाई like my React application, then close the your H1 tag, just Control S, and you can see the changes you doing automatically updated or reloaded। जैसा आप यहाँ पे changes करते उसके बाद में आप तुरंत आप सेव करते and you can see changes here, and you can remove this default like text, like whatever it is written here, this you can remove like paragraph and all, just save the web page again and you can see here, so hi my React app। ठीक है।